So I'm creating a Google form that you can submit an image to. We're going to use post image to find an image, turn it into a URL, and then you can paste the image here and hit submit. So if you go to postimage.org, all you need to do is click on choose image. If you're on a computer, you can do that. If you're on your phone, you can do that. Find the image that you'd like to use and choose open. Or same thing on your phone. Find it on your phone and choose open. This first link right here, all you have to do is hit copy. Now it's copied. Or you can do a direct link. Either way, it works the same. Then go back to your Google form. Click on paste image URL right here for your answer. You can do a Command V on a Mac or Control V and hit submit. If you're on your phone, you just need to press in that spot until it says paste and click on paste.